Hi, in this video, we will see download and install VS Code in Mac. So we have seen that what is the purpose of VS Code. So we need to write Java code where you can write the Java code. We have so many IDEs and text editors. VS Code is also one of them. So VS Code you can use as a text editor, and by using means by applying or adding some plugins, you can make it IDE also. So in our course, I will use VS Code as a text editor to write our Java code. Okay, if you want to use IDE, I'll use IntelliJ IDEA that we will see in our upcoming videos. But in this, we will see how to download and install VS Code in Mac. So let's go to the machine. So here in the google.com, just search VS Code download. Okay, VS Code means Visual Studio Code. You see download Visual Studio Code. Okay, code.visualstudio.com. Click on this. It is Microsoft's product. And you have 3 flavors: Windows, Linux, and Mac. Just click on this Mac. Thanks for downloading VS Code. You see VS Code Universal in the download section. Click on this save. Now it will download into your download section. This is 171 MB. So depends upon your internet speed, it will be downloaded into your machine. So let it be. It's almost done. So now go to this location, show in Finder. So this is zip file. So you just unzip. Just double click on this. It is expanding. You see that Visual Studio Code application, you just double click on this. Then it is opening. So you can move this to your applications to access properly. It is in download folder straight. You just drag and drop to your applications. Then you can use that. Let me try. You see that this is cannot be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. Okay, let me look into this. So I canceled that and I opened again. I just double click on the same thing again. So now it is asking me to, this is downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So open. I just closed and opened again. Now it is working. So now it will open. So just click on this. You see, it is very lightweight. So it will not have anything with this. So if you want anything, you need to install as a plugins. So because of that, this is very lightweight. However, Notepad++ will be the same way. You see that in the left section, you will have the Explorer. You can find you can create folders and you can create the files. And here in this section, you will find so many plugins. Okay, if you want to make it something like looks like IDE, so come to this extension. You can install so many plugins: Python, C++, Java, C#, everything you can install and you can use for any purpose. Okay, but in our course, I'll just use it as a text editor. Okay, so this is how you can download and install. If you go to this about Visual Studio Code, so you'll find which version it is, 1.63.2. Okay, so this is how you can find the information. So that's how you need to download and install. So possible interview questions. So what is the purpose of VS Code? You can say this is a text editor, and as well as you can use it as a IDE if you add some plugins to this. Okay. Then how to get VS Code into your machine and which version of VS Code you are using. Most of the times people will not ask these questions, but better to get this information. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.